in emergency situations. The alert tones which were just broadcast will automatically activate special receivers to alert you of impending hazards. This test is normally conducted weekly around 11 a.m. If hazardous weather is imminent or occurring, the test may be canceled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the alert tones will only be activated for the following counties in the KXI42 listening area: in Missouri, Perry, and St. Genevieve. In Illinois, Randolph and Perry. If your receiver was tone activated, the alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming. Thank you. West of today, a slight chance of rain late this morning. Mostly sunny with a slight chance of snow. Highs in the upper 30s.
Good test.
West winds 15 to 20
Well, about
miles per hour.
3 minutes late, but good
Chance of
test.